Hello everyone, so this is my new Keurig, I believe Elite coffee maker. Anyways, I just left this sticker on to remind me of the coffee with ice that I can make, and then it has an ice button. That's the up and down arrows to change the time and settings. Power button, strong, I haven't used that. Hot water is going to be good for oatmeal, stuff like that, or tea. That I can't find K-cups of sleepy time tea anywhere for some reason. They stopped making them. They used to make K-cup teas. There's your needle. I like how it's gold, like, and obviously it's been used, but I've only used it a couple of times. And then this comes off, so you have a little reservoir. And I have this as a frother just for my cups of coffee, and then K-cup holder. So this is the water reservoir on the side, and I love the clear handle for the filter change. It is just really cool. I really love that feature. I think that's a great addition, and it's a little bit more sleek on top with taking it off and on, but be careful, it, can be a little, let's see, I'm having to push it down. I don't know if I got a defective one or what, but it's not clicking. We're gonna see with the little few more days after you're using it if that keeps happening. But overall, I'm really pleased, and I highly recommend anyone to have a Keurig. I know I have to have one. I love my Keurig, and I love my K-cups, and my flavor coffee, and creamer, and sugar. Every morning, well, not every morning, but at least a few times a week. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and God bless. Bye-bye.
I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Keurig Elite that I just bought. I've turned it on. And I'll be slipping in my pod. The water was heated up very quickly. As you can see, it is here on the side. It comes off, fill it up. You can either take the container off, or you can just use a large cup to fill it. It heated up very quickly. It smells absolutely amazing. There is 4 different settings for cups. You can use it for hot water for tea, or you can also use it for iced tea or ice cold drinks. I bought this off of Amazon, and I got a really good deal on it because it was on sale. So I'm very, very excited. It smells absolutely amazing. As you can tell, it's not very loud. You can remove these 2 little portions here if you wanted to have a taller container. But from here, all you have to do is just pour in a little bit of creamer, give it a stir, give yourself a little bit of love, and there you go. Again, this is a Keurig Elite. I think I'm going to love it.
Alrighty, so I did get my Keurig, all excited, opened it, unboxed everything. Cute machine, big water tank and all. You see? So yeah, before I bought it, I didn't read it completely that it's only pods. And it doesn't come with the little basket for you to put your coffee in, which that sucks for the price. They should have provided some cups. So my bad for that. The functions are nice, setup is easy, and I did order some little, pods that I can use over and over. Thank goodness for now that I do have a couple of these folders pods. So I'm going to try that. Okay, bye.
Do a short video clip of the Keurig that I got for Christmas. It's beautiful, it's sleek, it's light, it holds plenty of water. It fits perfectly in my little nook where I put my coffee pot. A couple things I didn't like is that it's very wobbly. It doesn't sit level. The last one sat fine. The other thing I didn't like is the buttons are almost recessed, so you have to really push to get what you want. Otherwise, it brews my coffee, no problem. This comes out, it does hold a travel cup as well, but only like a 12-ounce travel cup. And I drink out of a bigger travel cup. But otherwise, it's beautiful.
Immediately, and it's a pretty good size on the counter. We love it.
I'm trying to change the temperature because I like my coffee hot, and it's not working either up or down, so I'm gonna have to return it and maybe get another one and see if this is just defective. Hopefully the other one works.
Been drinking coffee for a long time, mainly the instant garbage, and I recently decided to purchase this, and I'm super happy with it. It has an iced option, 5 sizes, strong option. The only thing I would say is that it doesn't hold that much water. Other than that, I'm really happy with it. It's really good.
Flowers and veggies. Now gardeners say they've been impacted. Next. Greetings from Urban's Greenhouse. If you're a first-time gardener or an experienced veteran, Urban's has something to offer everyone. Come explore and be captured by the color and magic. New treasures wait to be discovered.